welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this hotel, like amenities, room category, location, landmarks, facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. Of the views of this hotel, you can go to IndonesiaWelcome. Its review rating is 8.4, which is the excellent. Category 1, you can see on the screen room details like room size, bed type, room highlights, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 2. Next, to discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, in this property, 6 types of room is available on accommodations. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is good and place to fully enjoy beautiful surroundings. Check-in time of this hotel is 12 p.m. and check-out time of this resort is 12 p.m. There are you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For more details about this hotel, please check the description. If you have visited this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then must subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new hotel.